When looking for a yard drainage contractor, go with the experienced. We have over 30 years of experience. This French drain is along the property line of between two homes. They're going to get a new sprinkler system, so we ran sprinkler pipe underneath the French drain system so that the sprinkler company doesn't. We don't want to run the chance of them cutting the filter fabric and compromising our French drain system. This French drain system runs all the way across the back. They just had a brand new in-ground swimming pool installed, so this is a great time to correct for the yard water problems. If you're looking for a yard drainage contractor, you want to go with somebody that has the experience, has the knowledge to do it right the first time. We went ahead and we cored the side wall of this storm drain catch basin. These storm drain catch basins, basically, they only take surface water. The water has to come up to this level and then pour in through the openings. If you want to lower that saturation rate, that spongy soil that you have in the back of your yard, you want to core through the sidewall of the storm drain catch basin, and that way you can drain the water table and you can get the water, lower that saturation rate of soil. Lower it about 14 inches, you'll be able to mow. The kids can play, the dogs can run around. Now we went ahead and we ran a feeder pipe off the main where there's going to be 3 garden boxes. We know they're going to be watering their vegetables, and that's going to be a real problem. So that's just thinking ahead. When looking for a yard drainage contractor, give us a call.